In this video, we're going to detail how we can add competitors to an event. There's a couple of ways in which you can do this. The simplest way is to click on the name of a particular team and then click New Competitor, where you can enter their name, their gender, the date of birth, and optionally an email. Now, that's easy, but if you've got lots of competitors, that's very time consuming. A more convenient way is to go back to the competition page and click on Import Competitors. Before I do that, I'm going to have to address just one issue. You may use ReadyGo's complete functionality 100% for free, but you may only do so up to a maximum of 20 competitors. Before I add more competitors in, I'm going to need to be able to upgrade this competition. So I'm going to click on the following link. This will take me to a payment page where you can specify how many additional competitors you'd like to add. ReadyGo makes it so you only pay for the number of competitors you need for your event. This should save you money if you're a smaller school. Type the number of competitors you want, your credit card details, and press the red Proceed button. I've gone ahead now and upgraded my competition. And you'll notice under Settings that the maximum number of competitors is now 420. You can increase this even further if, for whatever reason, that was not enough. I'm now going to proceed to add my competitors. I'm going to click on the Import Competitors button and the following dialog box appears. Ideally, you have a school system where you can export all the information that you'll need. Typically, this information will appear as a spreadsheet. The data that you're going to need to add in competitors will need the following 4 headings: name, gender, team, and DOB, standing for date of birth. You can additionally specify the email of a student. This will enable the student themselves to log into ReadyGo and register for the events themselves. If you don't want to wish the students to be able to do that, do not specify an email for the students. I will demonstrate this later in another video using Tony Stark as an example. One problem you may occur is the exact formatting needed for the date of birth. You'll notice that the date of birth needs to be in the format of the full 4-digit year, month, and date. Excel can be a little bit annoying when formatting dates. I suggest you follow these steps to format your dates correctly. Select your row, right-click and format cells. Underneath Custom, in the Type section, type the required format. Type YYYY-MM-DD and press OK. All the dates will be formatted now with the full year, month with leading 0, and day with leading zeros. You will then need to save this file as a CSV. It may be worth bringing up that file in a text editor just to confirm that the details, including the date of birth, have been correctly formatted. Back in ReadyGo, we can now choose the file that we want to import. We also have one additional option, and that is if you wish to add these competitors directly to all the events so that they're competing in all events by default. This may be useful for some people, but you may wish to manually register each student specifically to each event. I'm going to use this button and press Import. And we're done. If you go under each team name, you'll now find all your competitors for each team, all specified by their division. Underneath the divisions, you'll see the same thing by clicking each division. As I click the button to add all the competitors to the events, clicking on an event for a particular division will show each of these people in the event. This concludes adding competitors to competition meets. Thank you for watching.